Today we are going to discuss about Cephalopod. In last class we have discussed about the common characteristics of chordates, eukaryotes, and how they are differ from non-chordates. So, although eukaryotes are primitive chordates, but cephalopods are the only chordates who bears or protochordates who bears all the chordate characters. See, cephalopods. These are only protochordates who bears all chordate characteristics. These are solitary, marine, animals present near mud or sand. Body is fish-like structure. Notochord, dorsal in position and exists up to anterior end. Next, the bears dorsal, ventral and caudal fins. Body has muscle blocks called myotons. Next, basal lamina and endostyle are present for that helps in feeding. See, cephale means head, coda means string. So these are the only protochordates who bears all coded characters. That means with eukaryotes and cephalopods are little bit advanced character. These are solitary, that means they present in single. Marine animals found in sea, ocean, etc. present near mud, kaduo or sand, bali ba kaduo सहित एबारे attached थिले. Body is fish-like structure, so you will found this like structure. So this is dorsal, this is ventral, and this is caudal. Dorsal fin, ventral fin, and caudal fin. Notochord is dorsal in position, so it exists throughout its body except anterior end or except head region. The bears dorsal, ventral, and caudal fins, which helps in locomotion. Body has muscle blocks called myotons. See, the bears this type of structures. So these are called muscle blocks. Basal lamina and endostyle are present in anterior end or present in its body that helps in feeding or collection of food. Next, one of the identifying character of cephalopods are having presence of wheel organ, that helps in food collection. These are ciliary or filter feeders. Next, alimentary canal is complete. Next, respiration takes place by pharyngeal gill slits. Next, circulation is closed type. Heart is present. Blood vessels and pigments are absent. Next, excretion takes place by protonephria or biosomnocytes. Poorly developed nervous system, sexes are separate, sexual reproduction common, sexual reproduction takes place. Development is direct or indirect. Common members includes branchiostoma, or amphioxus, also called as the lancet. See, presence of wheel organ. So this wheel organ is identifying character of cephalopods through which water from its surrounding laden with food or gases will enter into its body. These are ciliary or filter feeders. So with the help of cilia, they can collect food, or by filtration process they collect food. Alimentary canal is complete. Now respiration takes place by pharyngeal. Pharyngeal means pharynx, gill like structure having pores. Circulation is closed type. Heart is present, so poorly developed blood vessels and pigments. Excretion takes place by protonephria or by spermatocytes. Nervous system is poorly developed. Sexes are separate. Sexual reproduction takes place where development is either direct or indirect. Its common member includes branchiostoma or amphioxus, which is also called as the lancelet, or whose meaning is double-edged knife. Now we are going to discuss about vertebrates. So vertebrates are having advanced characteristics as they have also evolutionary significance. See, vertebrates. Before going to discuss, one question is that all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Justify. Justify. It is a very good question to explain how chordates and vertebrates are characteristically similar and dissimilar. Now, its characteristics includes vertebrates having well developed vertebral column. Vertebral column. Next, they has exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Exoskeleton and endoskeleton. Exoskeleton includes scales, body hair, feather, claws, nails, horns, and hooves. Exoskeleton consists of axial, very important, axial and appendicular skeleton. Next, axial skeleton consists of, or axial skeleton includes, skull, ribs, sternum, and vertebral column. Next, appendicular skeleton consists of limb bones and glial bones. Limb bone includes forelimb and hind limb. Glial bones includes pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. See, question thila, all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Justify. अर्थ सब गुड़ाक those having vertebral column are having chordate characteristics, but how all chordates are not vertebrates? You will answer it. Next, vertebrates having well developed vertebral column. melodon, which is consist of bones or cartilages. They have exoskeleton and endoskeleton. So exoskeleton and endoskeleton provides structural framework for it. Endoskeleton protects from external injury. So endoskeleton consists of axial and appendicular skeleton. Axial skeleton consists of skull, ribs, sternum and vertebral column. खपुरी रहियो एठी ribs पिंजरा हाड़ sternum chest bone or breast bone vertebral column मेरुदंड. So appendicular skeleton consists of limb bones. Limb bones means these are our forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs consist of hand, hind limb consists of leg and gill bones. These are the bones which connects axial skeleton with appendicular skeleton. So axial skeleton, for example, this is hand is your axial skeleton and vertebral column. Axial skeleton and vertebral column here connected by pectoral girdle. For its hind limb and axial skeleton connected by your pelvic girdle. Now, skin contains or integument, you can say. Skin bears various glands such as oil gland, sebaceous gland, etc. Next, locomotion takes place by muscle contraction. Next, digestive glands are well developed. Next, respiration may take place by skin, gill, pharynx and lungs. Next, heart is 2 to 4 chamber. Pericardium is present. Presence of blood vessels, valves and sinus, venosus, etc. are next. Excretion takes place by kidney, these are or they are either ureotelic, ammonotelic or uricotelic. Uricotelic in nature. Next, nervous system consists of CNS, PNS and ANS. Next, endocrine glands are present. Next, sexual reproduction takes place. They are oviparous or viviparous. See, skin bears various glands such as oil gland, sebaceous gland, sweat gland, etc., which provides innate immunity, which protects our skin from external injury, etc. Locomotion takes place by muscle contraction. Here, various types of muscles, like various types of, we have striated muscles, unstriated muscles, and cardiac muscles are present. Cardiac muscles are present in our heart. Unstriated muscles present in our visceral organ, and striated muscles or striped muscles are present in our limbs. It contains contractile proteins like actin, myosin, troponin, and tropomyosin. So, digestive glands are well developed. It includes your salivary gland, gastric gland, liver, pancreas, and intestinal gland. Next, respiration may take place by skin. So here, skin means, example, frog, gills, fish, pharynx, frogs, lungs, mammals, birds, reptiles, etc. Heart is 2 to 4 chamber, so either 2 chamber or 3 chamber or 4 chamber. Presence of pericardium. So peri means surrounding, cardia means heart. Presence of a membrane which protects heart from injury or mechanical stress, that is pericardium containing pericardial fluid. Next, presence of blood vessels like aorta, artery, veins, venules, vena cava. Various valves, Carpatica, like bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve, semilunar valve, etc. Sinuses, venuses. Excretion takes place by kidney, so it may be pronephric, mesonephric, metanephric, or ophistonephric based on their complexities. They are either ureotelic, those animals excrete urea as nitrogenous waste materials because nitrogen metabolic byproducts are always hazardous to our body. That's why it should be released immediately from our body to outside. So those animals, they release in different forms, either in urea, either in ammonia, either in uric acid. Those animals releases urea are called ureotelic, example human. Those animals releases ammonia as nitrogenous waste materials are ammonotelic, example fishes. Those animals releases uric acid are called as uricotelic, example birds and reptiles. Nervous system consists of CNS, PNS and ANS. CNS consists of your central nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. PNS consists of peripheral nervous system, nerves. Correct? Nerves releases from or connected from brain and spinal cord. That is, then ANS. ANS is your autonomic nervous system, which consists of sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Now, endocrine glands are present. These are also called as ductless glands. Without duct, they pour their hormone into bloodstream and they will reach in the target organs. It includes pituitary, hypothalamus, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, etc. Sexual reproduction takes place with distinct sexual dimorphism and courtship. Although some shows polyandrous and polygynous relationship, but courtship is common. They are either egg line or young line, oviparous or viviparous animals. In next class, we will discuss about cyclostomata.